Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be telling you our 5 favourite purchases we've made for our Freelander 2. Number 1 has to be our Muddy Mods rock sliders. They've saved our seals so much from potential damage whilst off-roading. Some people say you can get a little caught up on them sometimes, but we'd rather that than bent seals overall.
Number 2, for me personally, window tints has to be up there. Not only are they great for security to stop prying eyes from seeing in, not that we've got anything particular in the back other than a Rover, but also it really does help keep the car nice and cool. So if we're out camping, we can keep a cool box in the back here and it's not going to get overly hot. It's funny because I was actually against window tints. It was actually Alana that really persuaded me to get them on the car. And not only do I think they look good, but they work really good too.
Number 3 has to be our Muddy Mods fuel tank guard. It's saved our bacon and diesel many times when off-roading. As you may or may not know with these cars, the fuel tank is made from plastic and also sits very low, which is less than ideal when off-roading. As you'll see from these pictures that Scott will put on the screen somewhere around here, it's definitely been a worthwhile investment for us. It's been very well used and abused.
No.
Oh, look at that, Scott.
That is so much better. I do remember.
Oi.
Dud. Oh, this could be interesting. Yeah. Number 4. I know this video is going to seem somewhat protection related, but for me, one of our top purchases has to be this Mantex Sump guard. Alana actually stumbled across this on eBay, brand spanking new, and we were so lucky that we managed to purchase it. This has saved our bacon, our sump, our oil and everything underneath the car so much, especially when we weren't lifted. This was pretty much running across the ground when we were off-roading. But for us, this has to be up there with one of the best purchases that we've made for this car.
Unless they, oh, wow. I guess stop before I can get in. Ouch. You know what you're saying about
You're all good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Now up the other side. Yeah. Oh.
Who says you need to be lifted? Thanks for the window clean. Oh,
Thumpy thump.
Oh, grunchy.
Here we go.
Ready? Oi. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Number 5 has to be our 4050 lift kit, which is also from Muddy Mods. As much as these cars are incredibly capable as standard height, when off-roading, it's handy to just have that extra peace of mind that you've just got that extra little bit of ground clearance, just so you're not dragging the belly of the car on ruts and whatnot whilst off-roading.
This is much better lifted, can I just say?
Yeah, thank you. Do you remember how graunchy this was last year?
Yes.
So this will be interesting what it's like lifted.
Wow, so
little
different.
bit.
It's nice now, not trying to avoid the ruts and things.
Do you know what? It's night and day. It's just so much better, so much better. So guys, that was 5 of our favourite purchases for our Freelander 2, which is easy for me to say. Let me know what your favourite purchases have been for your car down in the comment section below. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I think it's something like 90% of you are not subscribed to this channel yet, so do subscribe in. And also, if you're at it, feel free to hit the like button. But until next time, thank you assistant for doing the pointing. We'll see you in the next video. Now do the splat, Lana.
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 Splat.